Hello everybody, welcome to Good Day Diaspora show. As we celebrate Mother's Day weekend, it's a big celebration, but we are in a very difficult times. We all know about COVID-19, what is going around the globe. So greetings from Prospect Park. Our location today is Lakeside, Brooklyn, New York. Our topic today, we're going to have a conversation, not really an interview, a conversation. Our topic is Mother Nature, Mother of Creation. You can watch us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Once again, welcome to Good Day Diaspora show. This program is going to be very interesting as we're celebrating mothers, Mother Nature. And today, we are going to have a very, very interesting discussion. My name is Kwabena Edigra from Ghana, West Africa. And I have the beautiful ladies from the motherland, Africa. So please, will you introduce yourself from my right?
My name is Betty Blue Jazz. I'm from the island of Trinidad and Tobago and also representing the island of Guadeloupe as one of my parents from each island actually. And I'm very grateful to be here with you today.
Thank you.
And my name is Olivia Nantongo. I'm from Motherland, Uganda. I'm very happy to be here.
Hi everybody, my name is Nosiko Sibanyoni. I'm from the beautiful kingdom of Eswatini, Swaziland to others. And I also have family and parents that live also in Mpumalanga, South Africa. I'm glad to be here today.
Welcome once again to such a great show that we're going to celebrate mothers, have conversation about Mother Nature. So today's conversation is dedicated to the most priceless yet undervalued and neglected mother of all life. That's Mother Nature. On this Mother's Day, we'll be honoring and praising and celebrating our earthly life source, from whom all living things have been in being. That's mothers. In my Akan language from Ghana, I say Big Akwaba means welcome to all of you great women, women of color. So why do you say welcome in your Swazi language? Thank you. Olivia, what do you say in your language?
Well, I'll go with Habari.
Thank you so much. What do you say, my sister?
I would say in English, you're welcome, and in French, enchanté.
Once again, before we roll on again, let me welcome you officially to this great program, because through women that you nurture us from our childhood to our youthful days. We've grown up to be gentlemen, we've grown up to be fathers, and we grow up again to be community leaders, of whom we are as a man. Also, it goes to the ladies too. It's through a woman that you nurture a baby girl to become a lady, to become a wife, and to become the mother of all nature. So it's my pleasure and honor as we honor all women. So, as you know, we're going to kickstart, and I will start with the Princess Nozipo from the Kingdom of Swaziland. As we all know, that is the well-recognized Kingdom of Africa, by the Commonwealth states or Commonwealth nations, the only country in Africa which is officially recognized as Kingdom of Africa.
Amen.
So the conversation will be based on the following questions. What does Mother Nature mean to each one of you? Start from you, my sister, and my princess, Nozipo.
Well, it's Mother Nature to me. I believe that I am both spirit and nature. And because of that, I know that I get my nature from Mother Nature. So for me, Mother Nature is my source. It's where I begin as a person, as a living organism. It's where I begin from Mother Nature. I am made of her. That's what she means to me. She is my mother.
To me, Mother Nature means everything. All creatures, living, dead. She's the air we breathe. She's the food we eat. I know that this body is just a piece of soil, that without being able to plant a seed and growing food and the air that I'm breathing, I wouldn't be here. So Mother Nature is a big part of every living creature. So to me, she's the source of everything. She's the greatest mother of all, definitely, no doubt.
Thank you, Miss Olivia. And my sister, my long-lost sister, my long-lost auntie from Trinidad and Tobago.
Yes.
We are so proud to have you here. And we are so proud to embrace you as one of us who was taken away from us. So it's a pleasure. Let's welcome our sister Betty Blue Jazz. So what does the Mother Nature means to you or represent to you?
Mother Nature represents to me the closest I could ever get to God. I believe that without Mother Nature, the thought of God even wouldn't have came to us, because she connects us to our very beginning. Without her, there's no breath. Without her, there's no sky, no tree. There's no life, there's no death. There's no recycling of the human spirit. She's all in all. She's the closest to God.
Thank you so much for the drumming.
You're welcome.
So anytime the women drum, then something great is happening. Then you call in our ancestors, you call in Dia Santua, you call in Amina, you call in about all great women of Africa, Harriet Tubman. So my second question, what have you done today to serve or show love and gratitude to Mother Nature? Or rather, how are you planning to serve our greater queens today as a woman? Nozibo.
Well, the first thing was I did thank her when I woke up and I saw the sun, and I said, thank you for the sun, thank you for the new light and the new opportunity for today. And also in just my daily living, I make sure I recycle my stuff so that I don't cause more problems for her, and just enjoying her and letting her know that being here is part of me just honoring what she's given to us today. She's given us to stay, to enjoy, so we're here to enjoy her and be thankful for what she's providing to us.
So today, well, I have a day routine when I wake up, because give thanks to all living creatures. Mother Nature the most, because she's the ground we put our feet on. As you get out of your bed, she grounds you. You're able to stand, run, and do all your errands because she's holding you. So the first thing I do in the morning, I give thanks as I put my feet on the ground. Now, in my daily life, it's important to recycle. It's important to take away the things that we don't need, that are just spoiling the environment. I'm a great lover for tea, but I also know that tea bags come from trees, and cutting down a lot of trees is causing a lot of illness to Mother Nature. So I took that away in my daily routines. Almost don't use plastics. There are a lot of things that you can actually do in your daily lives to prevent Mother Nature from suffering. Using one-time shavings and all those kind of stuff. There's a few things that I've actually done on my own, not buying things without checking the expiration date. You know, having them for a few days and throwing them away is another thing. Overcooking, excess food that you're not going to be able to eat up and waste it. That's another thing too. And definitely not taking long showers. That's not necessary.